Fun time with DissiNotRA. BeatMakers 101.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome to part 2 of the recent Compact 2.0 review, which is going to be about what happens when you export the files from your app over to your desktop version on the computer. You can basically export everything as a reason file, as a sound file, or a sound preset, which is hopefully also going to answer a big questions for all of my Windows users out there, because I was at first not able to open the files on my desktop version that I have sent from the app over to my computer. But with help of the awesome Reason team, this issue has obviously been solved. So if you're facing that problem right now, this will also be answered in this video. That's why obviously go watch part 1 if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so here we are. Now as you can see in the end of part 1, it's extremely easy to export your files. I did this through Dropbox. Now I have them already here in the folder, and as I said in the beginning, I wasn't able to use the files, and that's how they looked, just like that. For a while I wasn't sure what was really going on, and in the end it turned out to be the easiest fix ever. So for the people who knew how to do this, please don't laugh right here, but I really didn't know how to do that. So the way to fix this is just to rename it .reason file. Duh! See what happened? So as I also said in part 1, even if you don't have Reason on your computer, there is still a way to use it with any audio software out there. Because as I showed in part 1, you can generate audio files, simple audio files that you can chop up and use as samples. But since we're using Reason, we obviously are going to open one of the files that I've sent to me. And in this case, it is going to be a song file compared to a sound preset, but we're going to get into this in a second. And boom, there we go. That's how easy it is. I've already separated the windows because that's how I like it. And there we go, there's the rack window. And look how beautiful this is. I have to do nothing but press play. How awesome is that? And you can literally start editing right here. Let's imagine we're chopping this up here. Anyway, how awesome is that? And I was bragging about the sound quality in part 1 already, which is why I'm also going to let you hear a bounced audio file from this little loop here without doing nothing to the audio track. As you can see in part 1, song idea made in a matter of minutes, and boom, you send it over and you can just do everything right here just as it is in the app, but better. Beautiful, the new rack extensions, amazing, and you can just keep editing. How awesome is that? So let's open a sound preset. Now, once you have downloaded your sound preset, and in case you have the same problem again that it will come out as a file, a blank file, you will have to rename it again, but this time you will not have to rename it to a .reason file, but to a .repatch file. Because once you want to look for your patch, in this case our Europa patch, and you browse for it, you can see that it says .repatch. And from there on it's extremely easy. Browse for wherever you saved the patch. In my case it's on the desktop. And right here it is. Double click. And there you have it. And we don't have to do nothing anymore but just play. Sounds beautiful. So if we would have a track here, it would be right here. And the Europa sounds are just so tasty. Beautiful. And as you know, for the last option, if you exported an audio file, you can either use it here in an audio track and simply drag it into here, or we can use one of the beautiful samples that Reason comes with already, like my favorite one, the NN19 digital sampler. Extremely easy. You browse your sample and then you can chop it right in here. Works so much in here already with it. And there you have it. That's how extremely easy it is. It's wonderful. I am telling you, I cannot stop using the app just on the run everywhere when I have ideas, melody ideas. It's just lovely.
That's it everyone, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell, you know the drill. And don't forget to check the links, there's awesome stuff to discover. And as always, much love to everyone, stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah!